Someone has rightly said that the world belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. And at DAMS, Delhi Academy of Medical Sciences, we make the students believe in their dreams and endeavor to serve as a vehicle for them to achieve their dreams. DAMS is a well-established name in the field of PG medical entrance education for over 16 years now. It claims 85% success rate in PG entrance. And over the years, under the able guidance of Dr. Sumer Sethi, radiologist, who himself was a topper in AIPG and AIIMS, DAMS has evolved into a unique fraternity of educators and students striving together.
Mostly, DAMS notes are very helpful because I have some questions I directly have from the notes of the DAMS. I find it very helpful because it's easier to revise each and every topic and it's more concise. So you revise a subject more quickly and you can have time for MCQs. You got time for MCQs rather than going to books, all the books and read time, which is quite big and not easier to complete.
Yeah, DAMS was very useful in my preparation because I read almost all of my notes from that I had prepared in my foundation classes and also in the TNDs. And also the exams, the subject-wise test series and the rest of it that I took, they helped prepare me for the final exam that would be.
Year after year, in pursuit of a single goal, we have hundreds of centers across the country. Now PGME exams are computer-based and DAMS conducted a country-wide CBT computer-based test in computer centers in 2015 in which 20,000 students appeared, and it was the only institute which provided the much-needed match practice.
I mean, when you prepare for the exam, you go through individual subjects. So in between, you should know where you stand in between a huge number of students who are preparing. So I think you get to know where you stand and how much you need to improve. So for that, it was very helpful.
DAMS CBT is based on the item response theory and other guidelines provided by NBE and other PG medical entrance exam. Rank 1 in DAMS CBT ended getting rank 7 in AIIMS and rank 2 in DAMS CBT got PGI rank 1. Amazing is the word we can use for our rank predicting ability. This text was evaluated by scaling an IRT method which is used by all standard exams including AIPG.
काफ़ी स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चंस होते हैं
जी,
और मार्किंग पैटर्न जैसा आपका होता है एकदम जो AIPG जो आप जैसे करते हैं वैसे ही पैटर्न होता है मार्किंग का
जी,
और एम्स के क्वेश्चंस भी बहुत अच्छे थे जो एम्स का CBT हुआ था
जी.
तो ओवरऑल अगर आपकी तैयारी अच्छे से अगर आप ठीक से कर रहे हो तो आपको CBT भी कर लेना चाहिए मेरे से.
Yeah, I took the CBT exam, the second one that was conducted later on, and it was a very good experience because I got the same experience that I would have in the final exam. So, and also I got 27th rank in that, so that gave me a rough idea of where I stand and what I could achieve.
DAMS organizes special session for NBE style, visuals and one-liners called DVT, DAMS Visual Treat, in Delhi Center to give its students an edge over others. This session was appreciated by all last year's rankers in AIPG. DVT is based on the latest pattern of AIPG exam. Today, DAMS is the only institute teaching in the current pattern.
Because exactly 10 to 15 images got repeated exactly the same as that were told in DVT. And basic advantage of DVT is that it also combines images with the updates. Suppose you know some update but you do not know the image or vice versa. So better thing is to get it as a full package. You can get it at a single place and only in 3 days. I think that is the best one can get in this world.
DVT session which we had in Talkatura Stadium, and there were many questions on pictures. There were many pictorial questions in AIIMS exam also. So DVT was definitely helpful.
Some of the questions, many of the questions were based on visuals, so I think it was the most important thing for. I think I would suggest those who are preparing for the all India and AIMS in future should go through this DVT program.
Our eagerness to help students through our faculty team on DAM's exclusive club on Facebook is widely appreciated by all rankers. Updates by the faculty are high-yielding. DAMs not only provide the academic training but also conduct mental training for the students. It is also famous for its publications, including Comprehensive Review Series, CRS, Last Look Series, and Harrison Notebook, and all toppers vouch for it. In short, DAMS is an institution which provides specialized courses which are designed by experts in the respective fields, extensive subject-wise teaching by experts and authors of popular books, detailed notes, MCQ-based brainstorming sessions, excellent test and discussion course, specializes in the new visual pattern of MCQs, nationwide presence, and all India ranking of tests. Mentorship is our forte, and hence we make sure we provide the best faculty and unique teaching methods to our students. The teachers at DAMS are specialists in their subjects, and many of them are authors of well-known textbooks too. They are always eager to share new updates with students and specialize in concept-based teaching.
I started my preparation by joining DAMS. Seriously, I started studying this year from January, and the first thing I did was I joined the T&D test and discussion batch of DAMS. So it was really helpful for me. It helped me getting over my doubts, and it was very well oriented. And I also joined the foundation course in my third year. So that's when I made all my notes and gathered all my material which I have to study. So I was able to formulate a plan at the time.
We have centralized faculty, that is, we keep the teachers same wherever you join us. That is a unique feature offered exclusively by us. DAMS will continue to make incessant efforts to transform students' dreams into realities. We are here to create history. We are here to empower the lives of the students who in the future will create value in the lives of the people across the nation and the world.